Good morning, children. In English class, I will continue the lesson The Wind and the Sun. In previous session, I explained the story and discussed question answers also. Today we will do some exercises of this chapter. First of all, let us revise the story in short. A short overview of the story. One day, sun and wind, they had a competition. Who will take off the coat of this man? इसका कोट कौन पहले जल्दी उतरवा सकता है? And wind said, I can take off his coat more quickly. Then sun said, okay, I give you first chance. And what wind did? Wind started blowing harder and harder. करके विंड बहुत तेज बहने लगी. But what happened? Man was feeling very cold. So he started pulling his coat tightly. अब विंड तो कोट दरवा ही नहीं पाया. फिर उसने हार ही मान ली. So wind said, oh, I couldn't take off his coat. Sun, now it's your chance. अब सन जो है, सन ने क्या क्या ही सन started shining harder. बहुत तेज तेज धूप हो गई, बहुत और तेज हो गई. And the man, he was feeling hot. So he is wiping his face. And after that, what he did? He took off his coat due to hot. And at last, sun won the competition. This is our story. Now children, question answers. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Let us revise. The wind blew hard to get the man's coat off. है ना? Second one, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Answer, the sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. सन बहुत क्या करने लगा था? बहुत तेज चमकने लगा था. Then third one, who won in the end? The sun won in the end. है ना? Now fourth question, who said this to whom? You have to find out who said this sentence to whom. किसने किससे कहा था? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. ये किसने बोला था? Wind. Wind ने बोला था किससे? Wind said to the sun. Next one. I will let you try first. Who said this? Yes, recall from the story. Sun. Sun said to the wind. किसने कहा था? Sun ने कहा था wind से. Sun ने कहा था wind से. Now, third. How cold it is? How cold it is? Who said this? Man. Man ने किससे कहा था? अपने आप से कहा था. The man said to himself, oh, it's too cold. Now next, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Who said this? Just try to find out. The wind said to the sun. The wind said to the sun. Now last one. I have won. Who said this? Who won the competition? The sun. So, sun said to the wind. Sun ने किससे कहा था? Wind से कहा था. The sun said to the wind. Now next, there are some exercises. First of all, rhyming words you have to say aloud. These are BU and bun. You have to find out rhyming word from the story. बन का rhyming word क्या होगा? Sun, sun, sun. Next, hold, hold, hold. Rhyming word from the story will be cold, cold, cold. Boat, boat. Its rhyming word coat, coat, coat. बन का rhyming word क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? sun, sun. Then hold, hold का rhyming word cold. We can write here cold. Then boat, boat का rhyming word coat, coat, coat. And fan का can, can, can. Sunny, funny. Sunny का rhyming word funny, funny, funny. Pot, pot का rhyming word, pot का rhyming word, yes, hot. From this story, we have to find out from this story, hot. These are the rhyming words you can do in your notebook. Now children, see, here are some doing words in the story. Walking, smiling, blowing, pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. You have to write here the space provided. So try to find out. Yes, puffing, puffing. You can write here puffing, Puffing, puffing. Next one. Yes, shining. You can write shining, shining, shining. Okay. Now, one more, find out. Wiping, 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 wiping. Okay. So you can write like this. Now, choose the right word from the box below. One box is here and some words are given in this box. You have to choose the correct word and fill in the blank. One day, the wind and the sun had a competition. They dashed to make a man took off his coat. Try to find out. Yes. One day, the wind and the sun had a competition. They wanted. Yes. We have to write here wanted. Wanted to make a man take off his coat. Second one. First, the wind dash hard. Yes, क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Pull, took, blew, felt, wanted, started. Blew. First, the wind blew. B-L-E-W, blew. You write here, blew. Then, the man dashed his coat tightly round himself. Pulled, took, blew, felt, wanted, started. Choose the word. Yes, pulled. We have to write here, pulled. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Now, next one. Then the sun dash shining hard. Yes, started. We have to write here, started. The sun shining started. The sun started shining hard. We have to write here, started. Okay. Now, next one. The man dash hot and he dash off his coat. The man felt. What we have to write here? Felt. F E L T, felt hot and he took off his coat. Took. Right here, took. So you have to write in your book. You can do it in your book. Now next exercise. Look at this pair of words with opposite meaning. ये बेटा देखिए, here are some words in the box. Hot, cold, these are opposite words. Big and small, strong and weak, these are opposite words. Now write the opposite of good, hard, tall and black. Good, yes, good का opposite, you know, bad. Tall का opposite, short. S H O R T, short. Okay. Now next, hard. Hard का opposite, soft. Soft. Okay. Now black. Black opposite, white. You write here white. These are the opposite words. You do it in your notebook. You have to write these opposite words in your notebook. Now children, see, here is one crossword fun. Okay. Look at the picture and complete the words in the puzzle. So see the picture. Now these are the, sorry beta, ये puzzle है, crossword puzzle है, and there are some clues are given, some pictures are given. You have to find out. First clue में man. So you have to write here spelling of man. A-N is already written. You have to write here M. Man. And two column में यहाँ पर what क्या है? What is this? Coat. So we will write here coat. C-O-A-T. C-O-A-T, coat. M-A-N, man. है ना? इधर से coat हो गया, top to bottom, and left to right, man. Clear? Now next. 3 में देखते हैं पिक्चर कहाँ गई हमारी. सन. Yes, 3 में क्या दिया हुआ है? Sun. Picture of sun. You have to write the spelling of sun. What is missing? U. You have to write here U. Sun. Okay. Now 4. Fourth clue में what is given? Wind. This is a picture of wind. So you have to write here the spelling of wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Okay. So do it in your book. You can do it in your book. Okay. Now children, this is our lesson. Please try to understand, and I will give you some more work, activity and assignment. You do it in your activity sheet and assignment in your notebook, and then I will take your test. Okay beta, bye bye, take care.